Muay Thai. Muay Thai is a traditional martial art from Thailand that is known for its powerful kicks, punches and elbow strikes. Muay means boxing or fighting, and Thai refers to the country of origin. Muay Thai has a rich history dating back to the 16th century, originating from the ancient Siamese army's combat style. Practitioners wear a mouthguard, hand wraps, gloves, and a protective cup. In competitions, a mongkon headband is worn. Muay Thai involves various techniques, including punches, kicks, elbow strikes, knee strikes, clinching, defense. Muay Thai offers numerous benefits such as physical fitness and coordination, mental discipline and focus, self-defense skills, stress relief and mental clarity, cultural understanding and appreciation. Taekwondo is a Korean martial art that emphasizes kicking techniques as well as punching, blocking and striking. Tai means foot, Kwon means fist, and Do means way or discipline. Taekwondo originated in Korea in the 1950s and 1960s, combining traditional Korean martial arts with modern techniques. Practitioners wear a uniform, belt, and protective gear. Taekwondo involves various techniques including kicks, punches, blocks, strikes, patterns. Taekwondo offers numerous benefits such as physical fitness and coordination, mental discipline and focus, self-defense skills and confidence, respect and self-control. Taekwondo has various competitions with different belt levels and age groups. Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese martial art that emphasizes slow, flowing movements, deep breathing and mental focus. Tai Chi originated in China over 2,000 years ago, based on Taoist and Buddhist principles. Tai Chi means grand ultimate or supreme ultimate, representing the harmony of opposites, yin and yang. Tai Chi involves slow, continuous movements that combine postures, transitions, breathing, meditation. Tai Chi offers numerous benefits including improved balance and coordination, reduced stress and anxiety, increased flexibility and strength, enhanced cardiovascular health. There are several Tai Chi styles, including Yang style, most popular and widely practiced, Chen style, more dynamic and explosive, Wu style, more compact and internal. Kickboxing is a hybrid martial art that combines elements of boxing and kicking techniques. Kickboxing originated in the 1970s in Japan and Europe, combining boxing and martial arts techniques. Kickboxing is a full contact fighting style that combines pouches and kicks, combining striking techniques from both the upper and lower body. Kickboxing focuses on developing striking skills, physical conditioning, and self-defense techniques. Kickboxers utilize a variety of techniques, including punches, kicks, knee strikes, and, depending on the fighting style, sometimes elbows. Pad work and heavy bag training are integral aspects of training. Practitioners and their coaches use mitts or Thai pads to train for accuracy, speed, and timing. Competitions range from full contact to low contact and cardio kickboxing. Karate is a Japanese martial art that emphasizes striking, blocking, and kicking techniques. It originated in Okinawa, Japan, and means empty hand, symbolizing the emptying of one's mind and the use of one's hands and feet as weapons. Karate involves punches, kicks, blocks, strikes, kata forms, and kumite, sparring. Training includes basic techniques, sparring, conditioning, and mental discipline. Karate offers benefits like physical fitness, mental focus, self-defense skills, and respect. There are various styles, including Shotokan, Shito Ryu, Wado Ryu, and Goju Ryu. Karate emphasizes discipline, self-improvement, and respect. Kung Fu is a Chinese martial art that emphasizes harmony, balance, and fluid movement. With a 2,000-year history, Kung Fu means achievement through great effort, There are hundreds of different styles of Kung Fu, each with unique techniques and philosophies. Some famous styles include Shaolin Kung Fu, Wing Chun, Hung Gar, and Tai Chi. Kung Fu involves stances, footwork, hand techniques, kicks, and forms. Training includes basic techniques, sparring, conditioning, and mental focus. It offers benefits like physical fitness, mental discipline, self-defense skills, and stress relief. Kung Fu has had a significant influence on Chinese culture and has become popular worldwide, thanks in part to movies and famous practitioners like Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan. Aikido is a Japanese martial art focused on self-defense, blending with an attacker's movements to avoid harm and control them. Aikido emphasizes harmony and non-violence. The goal is to protect both oneself and the attacker from injury, embodying principles of peace and cooperation. Aikido was developed in the early 20th century by Morihei Ueshiba. Aikido is practiced worldwide and has influenced various fields, including self-defense, law enforcement, and personal development, promoting the idea of resolving conflicts peacefully. Aikido involves circular movements, joint locks, and throws, using an attacker's energy against them. Judo is a Japanese martial art that focuses on grappling and throwing techniques. Judo emphasizes maximum efficiency with minimum effort, using an opponent's energy against them. It was created by Jigoro Kano in 1882, combining Jujutsu and other martial arts. Judo means gentle way, emphasizing the use of an opponent's energy against them. Judo techniques are primarily divided into throws, nagawaza, and ground techniques, nawaza. Throws involve lifting and off-balancing an opponent to bring them to the ground. Ground techniques include pins, joint locks, and choke holds. Training in Judo involves practicing these techniques with partners, known as randori, free practice, and kata, pre-arranged forms. Judoka, judo practitioners, wear a sturdy uniform called a judogi. Progress in judo is marked by belt colors, starting with white for beginners and moving through various colors to black for advanced practitioners. Higher ranks indicate greater skill and knowledge. Training involves basic techniques, randori, kata, and competition training. Judo offers physical fitness, mental discipline, self-defense skills, and respect. Kendo is a Japanese martial art that involves sword fighting with bamboo swords and protective armor. Kendo evolved from traditional Japanese swordsmanship, kenjutsu, practiced by samurai. It became more formalized as a martial art in the 18th century and modernized in the 20th century. Kendo practitioners use a bamboo sword called a shinai and wear protective armor known as bogu, which includes a helmet, gloves, body armor, and a waist protector. Kendo involves basic sword movements, footwork, strikes, blocks, and counterattacks. Training includes basic techniques, kata, sparring, and physical conditioning. Kendo offers physical fitness, mental discipline, self-defense skills, and respect. Kendo competitions involve matches where practitioners score points by striking target areas with accuracy and proper technique. Matches are judged on the quality of strikes, including factors like posture and spirit. Krav Maga is a self-defense system developed in the 1930s by Imi Lichtenfeld for the Israeli military. It combines techniques from boxing, wrestling, judo, and aikido, focusing on real-world situations. It was initially designed to meet the self-defense needs of Jewish communities facing anti-Semitic violence during a time of political unrest. Training emphasizes simple, instinctive movements to quickly neutralize threats, including defenses against multiple attackers and weapons. The philosophy centers on aggression, surprise, and continuous motion to end confrontations swiftly. Unlike traditional martial arts, Krav Maga is purely focused on practical self-defense. It improves physical fitness, strength, and mental toughness. Widely used by military and law enforcement, it's also popular for civilian self-defense training.